How to rotate picture on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to rotate a picture on Android. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Gallery app on your Android device. And once you have opened it, simply select the photo that you want to rotate. And once you're in the photo, simply tap on the edit button, which is usually located in the bottom left or right corner of the screen. And this will open the photo editing option. Now tap on the crop option at the bottom of the screen. And after tapping on that, on the bottom left side, you will see the option which allows you to flip the image horizontally, which means you can simply turn the image from left to right or right to left. And on the right side, you can see the option which lets you to rotate the picture in 360-degree increment until you get the desired orientation. And once you're happy with the rotation, you can simply tap on save or done to keep the changes. And that's it. That's how you can rotate picture on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.